Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Port Moody, British Columbia, a charming city nestled at the eastern end of Burrard Inlet. The city is surrounded by lush forests, tranquil lakes, and the majestic coast mountains, making it a haven for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Port Moody was named after Colonel Richard Moody, a British Royal Engineer who served as the first Lieutenant Governor of British Columbia. The area was originally established in the late 1800s as a key point on the Canadian Pacific Railway, which played a significant role in the development of the region. Today, Port Moody is a thriving community that maintains its small-town feel while offering all the amenities of a modern city. The historic waterfront has been beautifully preserved and is now a popular spot for residents and visitors to enjoy scenic walks, picnics, and water activities. Whether you're exploring the local shops and restaurants or simply relaxing by the water, Port Moody offers an atmosphere that makes it a wonderful place to visit or call home. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Port Moody, British Columbia. Thanks for watching.